Hi, we are in the Brighton beach now. I wanted to show you know this place, and I want to introduce to her this place. This is a quite a famous place for tourists when they visit Victoria, sorry, especially Melbourne. Hi JJ.
Hi.
Beach. Actually, better we park here.
It's right.
People they don't pay the. Maybe after 1 hour, if you want, just grab a coffee and then put the car here, and then we stay inside the car. Huh?
I don't know the cafe what time.
Okay. If we stay inside the car, we don't need to pay. Can you open my GoPro behind? Oh, that house. Hey, quite far, eh? Yeah. Pinang tayo. You know, on the top. No, on the top. Yeah, GoPro on the top. Huh? Oh, no, wait. Close again. No, no, there's a lot of house there. Oh, now we are walking to the beach.
The beach.
Yeah, the beach there already. And then in Brighton Beach, actually, there's like a house installation, like arts house, like a painted house, really small house, and then that place is famous for tourists. Usually they coming and then they taking a picture. So that's why if you come to Melbourne, you should visit this place. The place is quite far from the car park. There is very far there. Oh, no, there's a few houses there you cannot see. And now we're walking. Joshua happy?
Yeah, happy.
Okay, we just keep walking there, and then you guys can see that house. Yeah, I visit this place. I think I've been visit this place like three times. Now 4 times. If the friends coming from like overseas coming here, yeah, if I have a time, yeah, I join with them to visit this place. Yeah, usually people coming and take picture and then gone. Actually the beach is not very attractive. This beach, just like a common beach, no, nothing special. Only that house special, I don't know why. Yeah, let's see until we reach that houses.
Okay.
And then, yeah, family. Hah?
Yeah.
Mau icus? Tiga ratus.
Eh? Yeah, it's okay.
Oh wait. Ya, jadi inilah rumah-rumahan. The houses in the Brighton beach, that famous houses. You can choose. You can pick one. Which one the best for you to be your Instagram picture? Yeah, maybe this one is number 14 is really good. I'm gonna take a picture of Shasha here. Shasha coming. Come. Yeah. I wanna take her picture.
Gonna sit down?
Up to you. JJ. JJ, your face. And then standing. In another house, there's one house. JJ, in this house, JJ. Number 50.
How do I make a call like this?
Uh-huh. And yeah, we're gonna take a picture together. Yeah. Whee! So we're gonna take a picture with this one, yeah? Right.
Yeah.
Ya, jadi di Brighton Beach ini, so in this place, not much tourists coming. Pandemic. of people strolling around here. And then it's hard to take a picture here because you have to waiting.
Really?
Yeah, before. But now like looks so easy because not much people coming.
Because I think COVID pandemic.
Huh?
COVID pandemic?
Yeah, COVID affect all the tourism industry. But for me, there's nothing special about this place. Only like a house installation. But maybe art, yeah, art.
Yeah.
Very unique.
Maybe if
Like-
you wanna swim, if you wanna just chill in the beach,
Yeah,
we could. This is the best price to be chill.
Yeah, you're not.
You can sit down in front of this house, right?
Yeah. And then let's get a go to see another house there. Maybe there's some new house there. Yeah, let's check it out for you. So you know, in the best situation, and this place in the best situation because not much people coming here. Let's go take a walk there and then come back again for a coffee. I wanna walk around. Here. Walk around to this house. I just walk around here. Jumping JJ. Parkour.
Right?
Parkour. Jumping JJ. No, you're here. You're here, down here side.
On this side.
No, because I'm recording.
So now you don't put the social popularity.
Yeah, Camila. Because recording. If not recording, social is in number 3 priority. Huh? Hey, what is it? I think if there's a festival and then permit me to draw one of these house, how I will be happy. If I live without you, so keep me there. I'm guiding you.
Can we take photo?
Huh?
Can we take photo of us?
Oh, there's. Huh?
Get to the big house in the back.
Mm. With me, share a few. This one is a good picture. That one.
The bank?
Yeah. Volkswagen Kombi. This one. Maybe 2008. Huh? You stay there. Then let's go take a walk until then and then go back for a coffee. 57A, 58. They sell something maybe better here.
Eh?
They selling something better here.
Yeah.
Oh, JJ, this one good. That one really good.
Look like Japanese house.
Yeah. JJ, take a picture there. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, That Japanese is enough. Not enough. But yeah.
Come with me and sit at two. It's where you want to go. Maybe enough, yeah? No need to go there.
We go back on the road or just to go back same beach?
Yeah, wait. Yeah, that's all the house.
Oh, yeah.
To show you guys. Yeah, let's go back and then drink coffee in the car to enjoy the